In today's video, I'm going to be exploring where to find orchestra jobs on the web, or any kind of musical job for that matter. If you're a classical musician, stick around to the end of the video. You don't want to miss this. Hi there, my name is Eric. I'm a violinist, podcaster, and content creator. Thanks so much for coming across this channel. If you haven't done so already, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notifications. That way you get notified for when new videos come out. It also helps me out as a content creator to provide more videos for you. So in today's video, we are going to be talking about where to find orchestra jobs and where to find any kind of classical music job for that matter on the web. And I have two websites in which has helped me and has helped my colleagues find jobs in various orchestras. So here we go. The first one is musicalchairs.info. This was a website that we came across about maybe 5 or 6 years ago. This is something, this website was like starting out when we were just in conservatory actually, and it's actually proven to be a huge hit. It's become more of like a news blog slash jobs posting. And as you can see here, you have performance jobs, teaching jobs, admin jobs. If you're not a performer but you're interested in like arts administration, that's really cool too. And there are like these latest posts, and if you for whatever reason lose this instrument, then you could post it online, and then if somebody comes across it, then the classical music community and the violin community, or any kind of instrument community for that matter, will be on the lookout for that. I know that the Strad magazine also does this, where like if a famous instrument gets lost, then everybody is on high alert to see who stole it, and they contact law enforcement and whatnot. But anyways, this is a jobs video, so let's talk about the jobs. So let's just, for example, go to, since I'm a violinist, let's go to the violin performance jobs that are available. So as of this video, we have various jobs in different orchestras: Paris, Shanghai, Hangzhou, Nantes, Bonn, which is a great orchestra, Beethoven Orchestra at Bonn. And you can pretty much find any kind of orchestral job that you want. I mean, it's really, really great. You also have like Chicago Civic Orchestra, doing auditions. They have like annual auditions as well. But let's say if you're not a performer and you want to be a teacher and you want to get a teaching job. So let's click over here on the teaching job, see what's available. In the violin realm, unfortunately, there isn't much available, but these jobs are available right over here. Tianjin Juilliard School hiring, Music International Academy in Hong Kong is hiring. A lot of Chinese jobs, teaching jobs available. But let's talk about admin jobs. There are plenty of admin jobs from what I saw earlier. Actually, no, I can actually go click on the admin jobs. You have variety of different arts job. If you're not a performer but you love the arts and you want to be employed in the arts field, then this is a great resource. You have artistic production and technical. If you like being behind the scenes, for instance, for like operatic productions or any kind of job like that, like stage management, people need those kinds of organizations needs those kinds of people for running opera productions. So it's not just about the orchestra players or the conductor or the singers. There's a lot of stage management that goes on behind the scenes to make these sets come to life. And this is great. Like, I know for me, marketing and sales would be something that I'd be interested in. Some of these jobs, however, they are like higher executive jobs in major orchestras. Like I just saw one, Cincinnati, like vice president of communications, Grand Rapids Symphony, vice president of marketing, and I believe I saw, Cleveland Orchestra, manager of marketing, data and analytics. So all of this is, you have this job board, and it's really cool. I really recommend musicalchairs.info, and they're pretty up to date with the latest jobs that are offered. What's really cool about Musical Chairs also is that you have different courses and competitions, instrument sales. Like if you're interested in purchasing an instrument from like a private owner, that's one way to do it. Let's take a look at the courses. Let's see what's available. Soloist Academy, Summer Course, and Festival. We'll see how open these festivals and courses will be for summer of 2021. Really no telling because of the pandemic, but hopefully, a lot of these students, or if you're a student looking for some festivals, this is also a great resource. You also have competitions, which is great. Let's click on competitions and go to violin competitions. NA National Competition for Violin and Cello, which is in Bentonville, US. Young Artist Competition for violin. This is all violin related. You have, different competitions that you can choose from. So that is one way to kind of go about that. I think musicalchairs.info is geared towards European orchestras. You see a lot more European or international orchestras outside the US looking for employment. And let's go ahead and go to another resource I like to go to, which is Auditioncafe. So I'm going to go ahead and type in auditioncafe.com, and we are over here. So a little bit not so WordPressy, if you ask for my opinion in terms of website design, but you have, again, different options. You have these audition tips. You have an actual blog. The store, I'm not sure what's in the store, but let's go ahead and go to violin because I'm interested in the violin. And for me, I like to go, let's just go to North America, just for example, and application date, I like actually going to date posted, just personal preference for me, because I like doing a little bit of research and like give myself a little bit of time. Okay, when was this posted? How long do I have before the deadline is due? So for North America, unfortunately, not too much available. You have Littleton, Colorado, and you have, of course, Chicago Civic, and they do the regular fellowship, which I think is it's 2-year rotation, and then you have the option to do a 3rd year, but I won't get into that. But Arapahoe Philharmonic, Concertmaster, decent job, really cool. Let's maybe check out, maybe just click all regions, see what's up with around the world. So we have Chicago Civic. We also have some, in Bulgaria. And what's really cool, again, you're not limited to just one instrument with these audition sites and with these job boards per se. You can click the instrument in which they're looking for and just look. And these are free resources too. So as I said, you have the option to just browse what's going on. And I think you have an option to get an audition alert to see if something pops up, which you can certainly do. Some violin jobs. So you have Concertmaster in Switzerland, Brazil. So these are kind of all over the world. And again, it just depends on how many orchestras will be open to audiences once the pandemic comes to a close. I know that the situation is different in each country and in each continent. So that's something to also consider during this time, is to see what is kind of more realistic for you in terms of finding a job, and not to mention preparing for these jobs in terms of audition material. And that's something that hopefully I'll get to talk on the channel a little bit more in terms of violin orchestra excerpts, and that'll be a very interesting process. So I hope you liked this video. I hope this video added value to you. And again, Auditioncafe and musicalchairs.info, those are 2 really great websites for you to kind of search for an orchestra job or any kind of performance job. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button. Also, it helps me out if you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notifications. That way you get notified for when new videos come out. It also helps me out as a content creator to provide more videos for you. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.